part of this upgrade, we've received a new gymnasium, an outdoor workshop. We're currently sitting in our block, which houses vet hospitality kitchens, workshops for timber and construction, and textiles and science spaces. My name's Andrew King, proud principal of Cecil Hills High School. I've seen the building from early days construction right through to its final product, and I think that's allowed me to really consider the options that we've got as a school moving forward and how we can use this to facilitate teaching and learning in a range of different ways. Utilising the resources that we have here through our upgraded school facilities, we're going to continue to connect with our students at a level beyond the classroom and provide them with opportunities to develop their skills that are going to make them the best learners for life beyond school.
So exciting. There's so much we can do with the kids. The kids are loving it. Be able to collaborate and see all the rooms working at the one time has just been fabulous. To be able to go out into that bigger space and spread out is absolutely amazing.
I remember walking towards the new building and my first instinct was like, wow, I was shocked. So big, it's so nice, it leads to a lot more opportunities. My favourite place in the new building is the collaborative space. I feel like it's a great opportunity for kids to have a better insight on what's going on in every classroom, see where everyone's up to.
There's a separate part just for private study, and they've got little cubes we can use to work individually and stay on task, which I think is really good.
I enjoy working with the teachers. I enjoy coming to school every day, and with these new facilities, it just makes everything overall better.